welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and become a member of the Unicorn Poop channel. If you are already subscribed, be sure to hit that notifications button. That way, you never miss a great video like this one. So, today we are going to be doing the Kinetic Sand challenge. I don't really know if anyone's done this on YouTube, but if you do it on YouTube, comment in the link down below that you do it, because I want to see. So what we're gonna have to do, Bodie, you also listen, because I haven't said the directions to him. So today we're gonna be like making food with our kinetic sand. And yeah, I'll show you my brother once I get the plastic knives. And kids, don't do this without your mom's or dad's permission. I do not want y'all to get in trouble, but I'm gonna do it because I'm 7. I can keep track of it. Yes, 7.5. And I'm not gonna tell you any when I'm birth or something like that. That would be very inappropriate. Okay, so here's your plastic knife. Don't touch it. So we've got 1 minute to make a... Oh wait, you got more than me.
You have some.
Here, that's good, that's good. Here, you can have a little bit more. Perfect. All right. So we each have the same amount. I'm going to put y'all close to me so y'all can actually, like, see what we're doing. Because that would be really weird if y'all didn't see what we're doing. So here's my kinetic sand. And yes, my brother is here to do it with me. Yes, he loves baseball.
Oh, I can't hit with my thumb.
Oh, I don't know how I'm going to set y'all guys. Right there. Like, that would just be weird for the video. Sorry about that.
I got a white knife. You got a white knife.
So I guess y'all are just going to have to sit over here. And I'll show y'all guys, if I get done early, what we're doing. So,
Hello.
yeah.
Why they said it's -5, do you know?
It's fine.
Hmm?
It's fine.
We already fixed it. I just like got back from school. So we're still on my like things and stuff.
And I just go one day and stay home. Can I go to school on another day?
Yeah, tomorrow he's going to school. Today he stayed home, right?
Yes. I said veto.
So we each have our kinetic sand. Let me move y'all towards Bo just a little bit. So y'all can see him and me. So yeah.
Oh, I just can't repeat.
Bodie.
Wow, you.
So, okay. 3, 2, 1, and go. Make a food. Let's see. Take all this. Shape it. You can't look what I'm doing. Focus on what you're doing. I'm gonna make a hot dog.
I make pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Making a hot dog and a bun. Now these will be a little bit harder.
I won!
Bodie, that's not a pizza. You gotta put some pepperonis. No, not with your finger. You take a little bit and then make a hole. Bodie, be creative. Like you have to like do what I'm doing. Well, not like a hot dog, but like put the shaping into it. Putting the sides, and you have to use all your kinetic sand. Okay, whatever you want, you can make.
I'm making cheese pizza.
Cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
I made my pizza.
Oh, I'm not done.
I'm done.
Hey, it's not a pizza. You gotta make it in the shape of a pizza. That's not even a pizza.
Yes, it is. You just burned it.
Sorry? Well, it's supposed to be like a slice of pizza.
I want to make a slice of pizza.
And make a really good round pizza. How about that? That do?
Only if it's together.
Okay. When it turns to 6, I'm doomed. Oh gosh, guys. Oh gosh.
I'm winning.
3, 2, 1. Hands off.
It apparently never followed
Made it.
through
Can you turn down the TV?
Purchase all that so-called dirt. If he
So,
did,
I'll be right back.
Go on.
is there anything illegal
I'll
about
show
that?
you.
To use his own money? Let's say he did do that. Use his own money. Never did happen.
You would have to know more about the context in which the payments were
Here
made
she comes.
and the flow of the money.
More
There may be money laundering
That's
concerns, or maybe bank fraud issues that could arise depending on what accounts were set up, what banks were told relating to those accounts. You'd have to have much more information in order to give a opinion.
Bodie, that's just a circle. Okay, I'm gonna give him 2 minutes to put some pepperonis on it, and you can just
It's not pepperoni, it's cheese.
You know what you can do?
What?
So take some of it and just sprinkle some cheese on it. That's cheese. Okay, that's it. All right, guys.
No, you just did this.
Yeah, that's fine. Here we can push it back together and flatten. Okay. Hey, hands off. Okay, so we're gonna start with Bodie's. Okay.
Down.
This is his pizza. It's all blue. So he put some little cheeses, if y'all can see that. Then this is the pepperoni around pepperoni. Around pizza, not pepperoni. All right. And then here's mine. It's a hot dog in a bun. See, like this part right there is the hot dog. And then down here on the sides is a bun.
You want to pretend your birthday and I'm your dad.
No, not right now, when we're in the middle of a video. So, you guys, we're going to be doing 2 more because I don't really want to get over time lapse. So,
I'm done with videos.
yeah. So, comment in the comment section down below who won. I would say I won. But, yeah.
No way.
This way.
No way.
This time, now, we got to mix salads. So, this time we actually have to do what the chef says to do. And right now, our chef said to make a salad. So, we make a plate and then sprinkle and then cut up some stuff.
Ewan,
Yeah.
I don't want to do videos anymore.
Fine, you don't have to do anything after this.
I'm just going to make. I'm just going to have this bucket. Put my Kinetic Sand.
No, you gotta stay for just 2 more rounds.
No, I'm doing something. I'm making a castle. Okay?
Bodie's making a castle, guys. I'm putting little chicken strips at the top.
Oh.
I'm just making some
Pops
details.
alive?
That means it's a play. Okay. Mine's done.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. So I can show you guys mine because, like, duh, why wouldn't I? So cute. Okay, comment in the section down below. This time we're in the middle. I think you should hands off. That I should win or Bodie should win. I think Bodie should win because those are some really good
Pizzas.
really good slices of pizzas. I would think those are perfectly cut. All right, guys. So now, next round, go.
I'm not doing it.
One more. This is the last one, Bodie, if you participate. Oh, goodness, guys. Oh, goodness, oh, goodness, oh, goodness. Who's going to win? we go. I got mine. Almost done.
I'm done already.
You are? I'm gonna put some pepperonis.
Who won?
Not yet. Didn't I say I was done?
No.
No. I know, right?
She said, I know, right?
So I'm making a pepperoni pizza, and then I'm gonna put some crust. Crust is the worst part of the pizza, I would say, because I don't like crust. If you know that about me. And I love chocolate ice cream. I love watermelon sorbet, because that's a type of ice cream. It's so good. It has like a tart flavor to it. It's so good. All right, so I add my crust. All right, ready? Show off. Okay. This is my pizza. Pizza. It's pepperonis. Do you see that pepperoni? And then here's the crusty. And then here's the pizza. Okay, another pizza, but a whole one. Okay.
Who won?
So I would take Bodie one. I mean, not Bodie. Let me see. So I think Bodie won, but I let y'all choose the pizzas. So yeah. Bye for now. Hey! Mine's the best. Yes, it is. But I love yours. Bye. Comment.